the world's safest BYD Blad battery. Today we are discussing about batteries that too for electric vehicles. Lead-acid lithium-ion are the best batteries have been hearing about. But at present, BYD Blad battery is becoming popular. This battery, developed by the electric vehicle manufacturer company BYD, has also been used in Tesla's car. What exactly is a battery, what technology is used to make it, and how did it become strong, safe and durable? Today we are giving information about this matter. People's attraction towards electric vehicles is increasing as it is environmentally friendly and less expensive. The number of people choosing electric vehicles has increased worldwide. As a result, technology continues to develop with various studies and research to make these vehicles more safe and consumer-friendly. A vivid example of that is BYD Blad battery technology. This is an impressive technology which helps to make the battery the most important and valuable material of electric vehicles, durable, safe and efficient. A Blad battery is a technology developed by China popular electric vehicle manufacturer BYD, which has made the battery much safer by addressing the weaknesses in lithium-ion or lead-acid batteries. Most of the batteries used in electric vehicles now not only overheat but also have problems such as explosion. Due to this, incidents of vehicles catching fire and people's lives being at risk are also publicized. Keeping this insecurity in mind, BYD has developed the Blad battery. Generally speaking, a Blad battery is a type of lithium-ion phosphate battery which is 96 cm long and 9 cm wide. Each cell in which works as a beam. A very strong aluminum panel is placed below and above the battery cell. All these technical designs have made the Blad battery stronger than others. It is strong, but its first feature is that it takes up very little space compared to the lithium-ion phosphate battery takes only half of the space. In other words, traditional LFP battery takes up twice as much space as Blad batteries. Also, the load on the battery is high, so the range given by vehicles with such batteries is reduced. A Blad batteries take up less space. The vehicle weighs less, which helps to increase the range. It has been proven that Blad battery is more safe in quality compared to other batteries. Blad battery nail penetration test, which is considered the highest standard of battery testing, is a battery that has succeeded even in such a rhinoceros. During the test, even when a nail was pierced inside the battery, there were no problems such as smoke coming out of the blade bearing or heating. No other battery has succeeded in the test.